because I was really missing my mother. Like, I was missing her very much, which I can't even.
Hi, welcome back to Salula Rama Vlog. So today is a Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. And today it's a Sunday, and we're going to Mother's Day service at Dima Church, Delhi. And I'm on my way waiting for the metro, and literally I'm sweating right now because it's 37 degrees Celsius. I think so. Yeah, I'm really sweating right now. And then the thing is, today I will vlog, and our church is at 2 p.m. and my vlogging upload time is at 5 p.m. So if I upload this on time, congratulate me in the comment section, guys. I will do my best to capture and edit and export and upload and publish. So it takes a lot of effort to do, but let's see if I can do it.
Jarvis, a woman called Anna Jarvis from America, who was loved so much by her mother. And her mother was the one who struggled so much to uplift women in America. She worked so hard, and she fell sick and she passed away in 1905. Then when her mother died, Anna Jarvis, she herself is a social activist working for the welfare of people, especially women. And she wanted to honor her mother for all the sacrifices that her mother made for the women in general. And in 1908, she called people together and she said, on this day, I want to remember my mother. You also try to remember your mother. Let us celebrate this day as Mother's Day. She called some people in 1908. And from that day, from the small gathering from her church, people started observing second Sunday of May, in the month of May. Second Sunday of May, Mother's Day. Another year went on. Another year, bigger congregation. People thought, wow, it's so nice to thank our mother at least once in a year. Let's thank our mother. And those people whose mothers are no more here on earth, why don't we just remember them on this day? So they gathered, bigger, it became bigger. After some years, in 1914, Woodrow Wilson, the President of America, called the Senate together and they discussed and they declared as the national holiday Mother's Day for America. And from there, the whole world started celebrating Mother's Day on the second Sunday of May. Simple, yet a little complicated. Why? But it is still unfortunate to know that somebody who started this Mother's Day, Anna Jarvis, after some years, she was not happy with the celebration of Mother's Day. Why? Because people started doing business on this day. They started selling cards. They started selling postcards. They started buying and selling so many things that poor people were embarrassed to even come to church to celebrate Mother's Day. Then business houses, they started doing business on this one. on this day. She started campaigning, no, I did not intend to have this kind of Mother's Day. Don't do business too much on this day. She was not happy about it. And in 1948, when she died, Anna Jarvis, she died a very poor woman because she was fighting against the people that this is too much. And on this day, around the world, according to some economists, we spend $20 billion for Mother's Day. Economy exchange, $20 billion we spend. Most of us, we must have bought some gifts for our mother. And today we have also given gifts for mothers on this day. Imagine $20 billion exchange on this day. So, and I want to tell all of you that giving gifts should not be compulsory on this day. If you are thankful to your mother, remembering and realizing her love for you, that is all we should be doing on Mother's Day. And on the first day of the celebration, Anna Jarvis also gathered carnation flower on this day. Can you please show carnation flower on the screen? I want all of us to see this carnation flower. Carnation flower is very common here in Delhi. If you go to Delhi, Nehru Park on this day, this carnation flower, it has 3 types of colors: pink, red, and white. And some have purple as well. So she brought carnation flower on this day. Why? Because it is not recorded there in the Bible, but according to the Jewish tradition, carnation flower started growing from the tears of Mother Mary. When Jesus was crucified on the cross, Mary, the mother of Jesus, could not do anything about it because he was already captured by the Roman soldiers. Could not do anything, but with so much love for her own son, Jesus hanging there on the cross, being crucified, she knelt down, she cried and prayed, and her tears fell on the ground. And from there, from a teardrop, flowers started growing. That is why it is called carnation. Incarnation of a teardrops into flowers till today. And if you see the origin of this flower, carnation flower, it originated from the west, the Middle West, in the Middle East, in the East. So it is believed that this is the teardrop of Mother Mary. So on this day, Mother's Day, people give carnation flower to their mothers. Pink carnation flower to say that I love your mother. And those people whose mothers are no more here on earth, if your mother has already passed away, you give white carnation flower on this day, thinking that you will meet your mother again in heaven. That is carnation flower. And a woman, actually, if we see the Bible nicely, why some people must be wondering, why is he reading the birth of Moses on this?
So, thank you guys for sticking till here, and I couldn't vlog properly because I was really missing my mother. Like, I was missing her very much, which I can't even express right now. So I'll end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching.